than a samba, or skipping midway through the night. Yeah. Don't wanna cut down to the obvious highlights. You've gone too long unsatisfied. How does it feel when you lie awake? Ignore the ache just to get through. How does it feel when you lie awake? Well, are you dreaming of me? 'Cause there's something on my mind. In my heart trying to warn me, but there's something on my mind. But there's something on my mind. I wanna say that thing that pulls you in closer, that makes you hold on to alive. I try to write something that moves the future.